it sounds like it's been a problem since time immemorial, but is it a little different for Gen X, and how does it vary from generation to generation?
So the thing is that for Gen X, to some extent, because they're almost up to retirement, they don't have that much time to catch up, right? So it's almost like it's a bit late. I mean, they can get some advice on where to invest the money. I think for Gen X, they need to learn first of all more about Social Security. I found something very interesting, not just with Gen X, but in general. People have just a very low level of understanding of Social Security system and how to better understand when is the best time to retire, how to game that, right? Especially when you have couples